Hello everyone, here is another SAT examination question. Remember, as I told you earlier, SAT questions are very simple. What is expected from you is to beat the time. So we are given that if k divided by 3x plus 3y equal to k plus 1, then what is the value of x plus y? So I can clearly see x plus y here, just that each term is being multiplied by 3. So I can quickly factor out that 3 or multiply both sides by 3. If you multiply both sides by 3, you have k divided by x plus y. So I can now see my x plus y, which I am looking for. This is equal to 3k plus 3 if you multiply the right hand side by 3. So what do we do next? You can mentally, because remember you have to beat time, you can mentally take reciprocal of both sides. You see, it is going to be x plus y divided by k. This is going to be 1 divided by 3k plus 3. Then you multiply by k. So x plus y is equal to k divided by 3k. Is it k? Yeah. This is not x, it's 3k plus 3. Boom. This is your final answer.